This is another unboxing video. Are you excited? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yue, or you can call me YS. I do videos on luxury goods like handbags, clothing, shoes. I also make videos about my makeup, about my lifestyle, fashion. So if you're interested, go to my channel page, check out all the videos. If you happen to like my videos, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week. Okay, I think you can't wait to see what I got this time. Are you excited? Okay, so let's find out what I have. It's a classic flap in a size medium. So this is collab with luxury fashion rentals, and I don't have a classic flap, and I will talk about why. I will put timestamps in the description box. I don't own a classic flap. I have two reissues. I just haven't really gotten into the classic flap. The big reason is the chain, and I will definitely talk about that in detail in this video. So this is a collab with the luxury fashion rentals, so I want to be very transparent on this channel. They gave me 500 credit that I can use towards a handbag for rental, so I pick out this one, and this one is $500 on their website, and I can rent it for 30 days. If you're interested in their business, I have their website linked in the description box, and also you can use my promotion code to get a 25% off on your rental. You can find everything in the description box. This is the first time I work with them, and they are actually very easy to work with. I just went on their website, picked the bag I wanted to rent. That was it. It was super simple and super convenient. And 2 days later, I received this beautiful bag. So everything looks smooth, and this is their website. It's very straightforward. They have different designers. If you like Chanel, then you can go to Chanel and check out the handbags they have and check out the prices. So if you're interested, definitely check them out. So now, I do want to do a little review of my classic flap. I really love this, but I don't own one. Is because the chain length is really awkward for my height. I'm 5'6", so I consider myself on the taller side. So this chain, the length, it's just too short. You may think you can wear this handbag in 3 different ways, but no. Depends on how tall you are. If you are about my height, there is only one way you can wear this handbag. I will put a clip here, so that's the only way I can wear this handbag comfortably. And considering the price, I think now for this size is $6,400 in the US. And my coco handle, I recently just got a coco handle. I will link that there. My coco handle was $4,000, and it fits my body frame a lot better than this one, and it's $2,000 cheaper. So that's a big reason why I still don't own a classic flap. If I try to wear this handbag like this is too short for me. I will also put a clip here. It's so uncomfortable, I'm telling you. And if I try to wear this like a crossbody, there's no way. It's too short for me. So I'm 5'6", so I think if you're 5'5" or taller, this handbag might not work for you unless you don't mind just wearing it like a shoulder bag. So that's really the big reason why I don't have a classic flap. But I really do love this handbag. I think it's gorgeous. I'm open to getting a flap mini. So right now the classic flap mini is $3,800 in the US. I think it's more reasonable and the chain is a lot longer. I tried it on in the store. I love it. I think even though they only have that in lambskin, it doesn't bother me that much. So that's another option in the future. So when luxury fashion rentals reach out to me, I just thought, so I want to give this handbag another try, just use it for 30 days and see how much I love it. If I really love it, and I may consider getting one in the future. If not, at least I know why I don't like this handbag. So for now, the only reason that I don't want to buy this handbag is the chain. Other than that, I think this bag is beautiful and so classic. So classic. Let's have some close-up. So this one is navy color with silver hardware. It's a nice dark navy, just like my coco handle. Let me grab my coco handle. I have the classic flap at my coco handle. See, this one is $2,000 cheaper than this one. So I really love my coco handle. I did a comparison video. I will link that here. But I do want to use this 30 days to try to enjoy this handbag and see how much I love it or how much I hate, and then in the future I will know if I need a classic flap medium in my collection or not. If you have any comments, any questions, please let me know in the comment below. I always check my comment and I always reply. I happen to like the silver hardware. I think the navy with the silver hard one, it comes together so beautifully. What do you think? I really love this. And of course, if you already know this handbag, you will know the layout. So here is a small pocket. It's too small for the phone, I think. I have a max. And inside, this one is a double flap. I never use this part anyway. And this is the inside. So this is the layout for the double flap and the reissue. I have a red reissue in the similar size. Maybe I will do a comparison video. Let me know if you're interested. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this unboxing and my collaboration with luxury fashion rentals. So if you're interested, definitely check out their website and you can use my code for 25% off. At the same time, I'm going to try to enjoy my handbag. Maybe later on I will do an update on how much I love or how much I hate this bag. Maybe I will do a comparison video with my reissue so you will know which handbag is better for you. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like my content and you want to see more videos from me, then please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week. Now I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week. I will see you very soon. Take care.